Other areas of cost smoothing: no upfront license costs. So you no longer buy perpetual licenses, which were a large barrier to entry for many businesses. They had to invest in the infrastructure. They had to invest in the installation of the application platforms. They had to invest in the perpetual licenses. Now this is taken care of as part of an annual subscription. So again, moving much more of the cost into a leveled or a smoothed out operating cost base. So again, this is very attractive for growing businesses. They can access, let's say, tier 1 ERP business suite software at a startup level that will scale as their number of users increases, or as they add line of business solutions to their capability as they need it. So that allows for a much more forecastable cost base. Typically, businesses will invest for a return on investment over 3 to 5 years historically, with year 1 being a very cost-heavy CapEx. Now, that model's changing completely. We can be looking for a return on investment at a much faster rate due to removing that initial CapEx expenditure.